Hi, I'm Attorney Demitrus Evans of the Evans International Law Firms, and you will definitely need an international business lawyer if you decide that you are going to expand globally, like hands down. The first thing that I'm going to tell you is let me see your expansion plan, because you can't do an expansion plan unless you have actually filled out a basic plan for your local jurisdiction. And so I want to follow that and see how that's gone, and then we'll decide on how far we want to take your expansion plan, but you can't really do it without an international business lawyer. We are going to be there to help you negotiate all the contracts, any types of agreements, any taxes, any corporate laws. And then we are also going to be there. I'm going to be there. I will be there for you to provide strategic advice on how to remain compliant and also competitive, and also with your branding, because Till Firms does international business law. We are in intellectual property and international intellectual property law. We are always looking at the brands and how colors, schemes may be important in one country as but not so important in another country, or there may be a brand that you have in one country that doesn't quite cross over because it looks too similar to an important brand. That I say important brand, but it could look similar to any brand that's in the US. Why do I say important? Because importance gives a connotation of having a lot of financial backing. And so some companies, their brands, you can use them and they're never even going to know. They're not even checking. But some companies like the Till Firms, we are actively looking for who is using our company's branding, especially if we know that we're going to go into a different jurisdiction. If something looks, smells, sound is important in trademarking. But if something looks or smells or sounds or like it is our company's brand, then that's going to be an automatic, bells going off, and we might have to change strategy, especially if it's already not just for use as far as has or has not been trademarked in that country. There could still be some common law rights that we'll be looking at. We also play an important role in determining any kind of legal jargon, because sometimes another company's lawyer could be sitting at the table, could be using international phrases that my client doesn't understand. And if I'm not there, then it's hard for me to decipher what is going on once I'm looking at the contract. And so it's important to have me there at the table in the beginning. We're going to facilitate all types of communication to make sure that cultural backgrounds and operations go smoothly. And then guiding the business through the cultural practices and the foreign legal system is always very, very important.